For someone go and fetch my father. Someone go and fetch my father. I'll tell my father what you do. You must always remember, my father is the king and I'm the princess. Hey! Listen, princess. But you're my wife. Answer me, princess. Who saved the country from the battle fights? Remember, princess, invaders came in and turned situation tight. It's my father and I who fought the enemies. So life came back to light. Let me warn you, the princess, my wife, you'd better behave right. Huh. But before you do, you better think twice. Wild and cool, you still but fool. Hear no voice but only your rules. You'd better watch out who is who. Stop the ill you do. What? Who's who in the court? I raise my voice, cry out loud, stamp my feet, shed my tears. I break my heaven. Hear my dress. Make a noise and shake the court.
既精彩又有新鮮感嘅表演。嗱，我知道好多小朋友咧而家都開始學緊粵劇㗎啦。不過英語粵劇嚟講咧，我相信難度應該更加高。係啦，張老師點解會選擇為大家表演英語粵劇咧？
其實用英語嚟表演粵劇咧，我哋係有兩個原因嘅。咁第一個原因咧係向外國朋友介紹我哋本土嘅藝術文化啦。我哋啲小朋友咧曾經喺禮賓府同埋其他嘅部門機構嘅邀請，都向外國朋友介紹過粵劇嘅。第二個原因咧，就係令到啲小朋友咧好有信心啦。佢哋學習個表達能力強咗好多啦。
其實喺翻譯方面咧，會唔會好困難㗎？好似頭先我首最大金枝咁樣啦，我就覺得好難翻譯啦。咁平時係點樣決定揀歌同埋保證質素嘅咧？
其實咧呢次嘅英語粵劇表演咧，我哋唔係喺傳統嘅粵曲裏邊逐句翻譯過嚟嘅。我哋嘅編劇馬萬霞老師咧就係將故事重新以英文嚟編寫。咁啊，所選用嘅曲目咧都係啲小朋友熟悉嘅曲目同埋傳統嘅粵劇曲目。
即係故事咧都係一樣嘅，
主要係改編。
係啦。
咁學習英文咧有好多方法啦，唱住粵劇嚟學又有啲咩好處咧？
其實唱住嚟學習英文咧，係令到佢哋嘅進步好大嘅。咁啊，因為粵劇咧係一個表演性比較強嘅演出嚟啦。咁啊，好多小朋友咧學習咗英文之後咧，呢個演出之後咧就好有進步咯，同埋個表達能力啊、個信心啊大咗好多，同埋學識咗點樣去尊師重道嘅。
哇！唔單止一舉兩得，淨係一舉好多得。好，喺呢個時候咧，我哋認識下兩位小妹妹先啦。你哋學咗粵劇幾耐啊？點解會學嘅？
我叫馮善瑩，我今年10歲。我喺2006年，即係1年班嗰時候已經開始學㗎啦。因為我覺得粵劇頭飾好靚啦，同埋咧我睇過兒童粵劇，覺得好好睇，所以先至學粵劇咯。
我叫馬慧蘭，我今年9歲。我喺4歲半嗰時就開始學粵劇，因為我睇咗《月亮姐姐睡荷香》同埋《做王爺爺》，我覺得好有趣。
咁咧，點解你哋會有興趣學習英語粵劇咧？係咪因為會令你哋學到好多生字啊？
其實咧，我之前驚英文驚到捐咗落台底，
咁啱嘅，我細個都係喎。
我唔敢讀。老大老師鼓勵我，要我做公主，令到我啲英文能力提升咗好多。今年仲全班考第一添。
哇！犀利！
好啦，多謝晒咁多位嘅，我知道你哋嚟緊咧有更加多嘅公開演出啦，希望你哋演出成功。咁啊，亦都希望喺不久嘅將來睇到你哋更加精彩嘅作品。